In the process of absorption, the root hair cell takes center stage. Found on the outer surface of plant roots, it's perfectly shaped for the job, with a long, thin extension that greatly increases the surface area in contact with the soil. Its thin cell wall and membrane allow water and minerals to pass through easily, while the cell membrane's protein carriers help select the right mineral ions. Inside, the nucleus directs the cell's work, the cytoplasm holds all the organelles, and numerous mitochondria provide the energy needed for active transport when minerals must be absorbed against their concentration gradient. A large vacuole stores water and dissolved substances, helping keep the cell firm. Together, these features allow the root hair cell to absorb water by osmosis and pull in essential minerals efficiently, ensuring the plant gets the nutrients it needs from the soil. Now, let's look at the pathway taken by water in a plant, focusing on how it's absorbed by the roots and then moves upward through the plant. First, water enters the root hair cells by osmosis, while mineral ions are absorbed through active transport. The osmotic movement of water into the roots creates a pressure that helps push water upward into the xylem. From there, water travels across the root, moving through the root cortex cells until it reaches the xylem. Once in the xylem, water flows upward to the stem and then onto the leaf mesophyll cells. Now, looking at the diagram, this shows the process of root absorption and the movement of water molecules by osmosis. Starting with the soil particles and water, you can see the soil particles surrounded by water, which indicates a higher water potential in the soil. Next, the root hair cells extend out into the soil, increasing surface area for water uptake. So, to sum up the whole journey, the pathway goes like this: from the root hair cells, into the root cortex cells, then into the xylem, up through the stem, and finally to the leaf mesophyll cells. In simple terms, water first enters the root hair cells, travels across the cortex, and then reaches the xylem, which carries it through the plant. As you can also see in the diagram, the arrow here shows the movement of water molecules by osmosis, from the soil, where the water potential is higher, into the root hair cells, where it's lower. From there, the water moves through the cortex cells and then into the xylem, which carries it all the way through the plant.